Hi guys, so this is a quick tutorial on how you can update the position of the avatar's handheld microphone during scene creation so you can make it look right in their hand. So I'll go to create AR scene and general AR scene, and this can be done from either general scene creation or from karaoke scene creation. So I'll just record a little bit of bass motion for my avatar to start with. Okay, there I am. And I'll just go to new motion now. So at this point, I'll go to the avatar handheld microphone option. This pulls up my microphone options. So it says which hand uses the mic. I'll go from no microphone to avatar right hand. Let's see about left hand. Okay. On this one, you can see the mic is like inside of my wrist in the left hand. So I need to fix that. So I'll use these positioning tools. I can tap and drag on the screen to turn the view, and then I can use, say, the rotation tool to rotate the microphone up like that. I'll use the move tool to drag it a little bit forward. So you can see I'm kind of like getting it closer to being in my hand. Go a little bit this way, a little bit up, maybe do it a little bit more like that. A little bit back like that. And I go to the move tool to bring it up a bit and over a bit. And then just a little bit more back. Okay. And this is like pretty close. So I'll go with that. So at this point, I'll say save and exit because I like that positioning in my left hand. And I'll record. You can see that my microphone is now in my hand. And if I record a little motion, so I'll just record a little bit of bass motion for my avatar to start with. So you see it's kind of like properly in my hand now. And I'll trim this motion, put my scene back down, and then if I play it, so I'll see that my mic is now bass motion for my avatar to start with. You can see that generally my microphone is in my hand properly now. So that's how you can get the microphone positioning correct.